question. So I'll just probably tell three things about Germany as a student. Number one, the working rights. All the students, all the international students have the working rights for 120 full working days in a calendar year, which is 240 days half. I repeat, to 140 full working days in a calendar year, every international student is allowed to work. Second benefit for any international student in Germany is a PSW of 18 months. All the students who have successfully completed their academic degrees will be having a benefit of staying back for 18 months to look for a right opportunity. Now, when I say this, let me elaborate a bit. The program should be either degree, which is like a bachelor's degree, master's degree, or a doctorate degree. The students from foundation, certificate, or language courses are not entitled for it. Otherwise, if you have done a degree successfully, 18 months of stay back is guaranteed for you. Last but not least, once you get a job, the job visa can be from 1 to 5 years of a total, in which after 2 years you are entitled to go for a permanent residency application. I repeat, after 2 years of work, you are allowed to go for a permanent residency applications. Now, Berlin School of Business and Innovation, as the name itself suggests, is a management school which is located in the national capital of Berlin, Germany. Now, why study at Berlin? First thing is a central location. Berlin happens to be the national capital, and the place where we are located is known as Potsdam, which is a very upscale location in Berlin, which houses large number of multinational corporations and medium-sized enterprises, which means that a student, whether it's a part-time or a full-time opportunity, is just thrown to distance. Two, there is an excellent student support. Now, right from the registration with the relevant authorities till the last point when the student goes for filing the PSW of 18 months, we see to it whether it is a student to student, or even we sometimes engage lawyers to train the students how to do the correct documentation. We basically see to it the students get the right kind of guidance from their teachers. We see to it that students get right kind of guidance for their insights into the industry. Now, a flexible timetable. Now, what does that mean? It means that we have designed the course in such a way that every week there is a full 2 days of classes. I repeat, 2 full days of classes, which gives students 5 full days for their research, because our all the courses are assignment based, so they have ample amount of time for their self study plus the work, which technically means that when you go to work you don't take the stress of your studies, and when you go to study you don't carry the stress of your work there. Free executive education course. We see to it that every single international student who enrolls with us gets a benefit of about 5,000 euros worth of executive education free of cost. They can be into IT, they can be into finance, they can be into sales. There is a long list of executive education courses which the students can choose at discretion, and obviously we know that how the employers see those things. Free German language support. Now, every single student who enrolls with us will be getting a free German language classes for the full time of the studies. He is with us. I repeat, for the full term of studies, he is with us, and we see to it that he learns up till C1 level. Now, many of the good institutions in Germany do offer, but the maximum level of courses which is offered is B1 level. We have invested extra understanding how critical it is in the student for the job search and later in the time of PR application. That's why we have invested from our side and see to it the student gets the best out of it. So there is free German language lessons for all the enrolled students. There is a dedicated career service. We have partnered with numerous job and manpower companies in Germany to make sure that right from the resume writing skills to the presentation skills, probably getting numerous avenues whereby they can have the linkages with the industry people, and finally to having one-to-one interviews with the companies. All these supports are given by the career service cells, which is basically at our college. Now, online resources. The courses that are offered by Berlin School of Business and Innovation initially were with a blended learning. The idea was that there should be at least 15 to 20% of online content with the rest of the brick and mortar classes. that are offered to the student in a normal conventional setting. However, what came as blessing in disguise to us when this COVID-19 situation happened, we immediately converted whole of the content online. So we were in fact among the pioneers in Germany who had seen to it that our students face no academic loss at all because they were technically studying regular basis like never before. And finally, the post-study German visa. As I said, the post-study German visa of 18 months is basically guaranteed to all the students who successfully pass their courses. Now, what do we do to add value to it? We see to it that we have hired a lawyer, immigration, very famous immigration lawyer. Every student will be having a 20-minute session to it, who will see to it that students have the correct and precise document ready to get the job done. So, we have academic partnerships with two of the universities which eventually belong to us only. We are a part of group by name Global University System, which has a number of universities and colleges in different geographical locations. So the two partners with us are University of Telematica Unituno, which is established in 2005 in Italy, and the second one is the University of Concordia, Chicago, which is more than 150 years old university in USA. Now, as I said, this is our campus, which is located in Potsdamer location. Let us quickly see. Now, let's reiterate on the reasons of why to study in Berlin. Number one, obviously, Berlin is known as the city of startups. So, whether you have a innovative idea, innovative product, innovative anything to do with innovation, Berlin is the place for you to go. Secondly, being a national capital, a population at large will be understanding English as their first language. So a student will not have an alienated feeling once basically he goes there. He won't be having the initial struggles. Getting part-time will be easy, a lot easy in fact. And on a very factual front, Berlin is supposedly one of the most affordable cities in Western and Central Europe. I repeat, in Western and Central European bloc, it is one of the most affordable cities. So, as a business school, we have a very precise programs targeted towards the management education only. So, undergrad, we have BA in Economics and Business Administration with foundation diploma. This is for the students who have done, let's fared not good, probably at their 10 plus 2 level, and then BA in Economics and Business Administration. PG, we have MSc in International Healthcare Management, MA in Innovation and Entrepreneurship, and MA in International Tourism and Hospitality. Now, when I say this MA in International Tourism, Hospitality, and Event Management, this is one of the programs which is listed with the Department of Tourism in the Ministry of Tourism, Germany. MA in Finance and Investment is one of the programs which is basically one of the top 10 programs in Europe pertaining to finance studies. And you might be knowing that more than the chocolates, more than the probably good scenic locations and the watches, and let's say the cars, the region is also known for banking and investment. So that's the right degree to be taken there. Now, we do have a program in MA in Innovation and Entrepreneurship. And as I said, that Berlin is the startup capital of the world. So that's the very apt program to be taken out there. Now, MA in Strategic Marketing is basically a marketing course. MBA in Maritime and Shipping Management. This is basically the course people who intend to go towards shipping and maritime industry. Now, this is a quick review of the prices that we offer. Now, the bachelor's program so is 9,500 a year, which is after scholarship 8,000 per year. There is scholarship of 1,500 euros per year. The global MBA and the MBA program for University of Unituna is worth 13,250, which after scholarship of 1,000 is 11,750 only. The rest of the master's program are to a tune of 11,800, with a scholarship of 1,500 comes down to 10,300 only. Now, the BA requirements, all the students who intend to go into the bachelor's program should have completed their 10 plus 2 with at least 60% marks, IELTS 6.0 with no band less than 5.5, and with minimum 18 years of age. I repeat, minimum 18 years of age. For lesser age, and if the IELTS score is less, we advise the diploma program, the foundation diploma program, to be taken along with the BA degree. Now, the PG program, you should have completed the graduation from a recognized university, IELTS 6 overall with no band less than 5.5, where the minimum age is 21. The documentation is pretty easy, and I believe the team of Study Metro are excellent at handling that. So, CUC is a similar nature of probably entry requirements. So, this is it, and I'm done.